All right, all right, all right. Let's see what we got going on Tuesday morning. While I got your ear, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate that. Check out my TikTok channel. I'm on TikTok now, apparently. My ducks are happy. And join me live at 9 o'clock. See what's going on. A couple of links in the description to participate or support this channel. All right, let's get right to it. First thing we want to look at. Let's see what we got going on today. So 9 o'clock, we got some Schiller home price year over year, month over month. So it's a lot of housing information. Consumer confidence. Market could react on that. Not really the flavor of the month. We got a Fed talking. I think everybody's tired of hearing the Feds and API. So I think the real market movers are going to be earnings. And let's see if we got any names. So we got 3M, American Asset. Yeah, we got some names. Biogen. It's Coke. A couple of banks. Oh, big day. Big day. GM. They're going to be looking at cars. They want to see price destruction or purchase destruction in automobiles. They being the general public or the investing public. JetBlue insight into some travel. Wow, big day. Sherwin-Williams. I'm sure I missed a few. There's Visa. White bread. White bread. Cracker. So yeah, that's what's out there. There's a big day. Oh, there's Coke already. Raises full year outlook as earnings beat expectation. All right. Didn't really do much for the market. GM Post big third quarter earnings beat, but holds full year guidance steady amid headwinds. See, they want to see a little more destruction in General Motors. But, all right, it's out. Taiwan, a leading healthcare hub. Nope, they got a new prime minister. Yo, they should have stuck with Boris. Oh, look at that. Why China won't bail out. That's interesting. I'm going to read that later. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to try something different today. I'm going to have the monitor that I'm looking at on screen. I think yesterday I goofed also. Okay, so we were watching this trend reversal, kind of head and pattern shoulder, had that trend line. Very excited about it. And it broke, man, and look at that crazy up day and then popped right through, really strong. I was expecting a retrace, but didn't want to give it to us. And we need a little bit of a retrace. So you guys who've been tracking me know these infamous blue lines. So that's where we are, man. We're in the middle of that channel. And again, we're respecting that area. Very much so, very much so. And today, well, we're starting out with a little bit of a retrace early in the morning. S&P's down, but I don't. Another update wouldn't surprise me. Very important area, though. Look, we have this trend line that meets the mid-channel, and we're heading into the cloud right here. So, important area, kind of reinforcing my expectation of how the market's going to behave going forward. So, I just had a few thoughts on how I could take advantage of that. But, okay, so we're going to watch it. It's an important area. We've got to watch how it behaves. I'd like to see it break through this whole space. And I believe that we could be looking at 4,100 or so. Well, it is November. Can't get too much further. But, yeah, oh, yeah, here we go. Okay, good. Yeah, I don't know if I get to, no, it's not going to show me anything past that. So, trying to see where we'll be at or around Christmas. I guess we could probably see that just go up a little bit. Yeah, baby. So does that look doable? Yeah, man, that looks doable. Look, so this is looking at a weekly. I'm saying we're looking at like 4,100. Maybe even close that gap at 40, 42.21. Yeah, maybe even close that gap at 42.21 going forward into Christmas, New Year's. And I'm looking for an indication of a weekly head and shoulders. I think after the new year, we should come back down around the 37 range. Then we could put that trend in. I don't know. I'm not gonna say we're gonna do that. I do think that we'll come back down. But 4,100 to test this area is not impossible. Maybe even close that gap up for Christmas at 42.50. Could be the case. All right, so, but that's not going to make us money today. So let me get focused. I just woke up, and this is the first time I'm hitting the computer, so now my mind is all over the place. All right, so today. Can't call it. The S&P, ES. See, this is what I like. I like this little retrace right here. I'd like to see us hold flat today, man. I would like to see that. Get a nice retrace, and then a good move up. We can get rid of this line because we've already broken it. So, be gone. Here's the head and shoulders. Here's the break. Coming into some resistance. At least come into this challenge area, this congestion right here. I'd like to see. Only 2 days up. So good probability that that trend continues. Not a very strong bar yesterday, but earnings could be throwing a monkey wrench in that. Take a look at the 240, see what it's telling us. Yeah, we're at a resistance area. That's what it's telling us. $819.50. $822. So yeah, we might go with that 819.50. I see what's going on. We got a Fibonacci in there. All right. I think put a little resistance right, yeah. Keep our eye on that. That's what we're playing with right now. It's a pretty good resistance. Look, we flirted with it there, we flirted with it there, we flirted with it there. So I'm going to say I'm rather neutral, pending a break of the 822. What do you think of that? That's my view. That's my view for today. Let's move on, shall we? BTC, probably even that channel. Yeah, which it is. It's just working its way. I'll be working my way back to you, babe. It's just waiting for all the hoopla to settle down. Then it'll get back into it. It's just calming down. A lot of the mutts are out of the position. You know, it's getting it's developing a more professional feel. So just watch it for that channel. Let's see what oil is doing. I'm neutral on oil. I think we're going to hover around this $84 range. I mean, you know, this is looking out as far as a swing. You could drill down and find a good daily entry, I'm sure. Looks like we got a couple of flags. Might get another move down to about 81. But I'm just looking at it over the long term. Probably going to stay $95 to $75. I'd like to see it develop a smaller channel than that, but that's not a bad channel. At the end of this pennant, which would be a weak move down. Tell you the truth, I would probably just hold this as the pennant. This trend, I know this is difficult to see. There you go. So right here, that's what I'd be watching. Support at around 75, which I see no reason for it to float down there. And then watch this trend line for bullish. Stay neutral, I guess, long term, if it remains in that pennant. Gasoline's feeling kind of bullish to me, man. That's interesting right there. Look at that. Let's watch that for an inverted cup and handle. But feels like we're testing this channel right here. So I'll stay neutral till we break that channel. I got to change the characteristics of these trend lines. Hard to say, but let's just watch that channel. So right now we're neutral with the break there. If you were trading this, you could put a center line right there and probably trade between the three, making the three lines your targets. Nat gas. Looks like it might be putting in a bottoming pattern. But I'm bearish. This I'd say is probably a flag. Watch this gap right here. I mean, nat gas just has a habit of filling its gaps. Yeah, I'd say your target could be about 450. What is it? How do they sell this? A BTU? I forget what the unit they sell it is. It'll come to me. Look at it. Bonds. I mean, still bearish. Still feeling very heavy. Looking like a little double bottom on the 240s. We could watch that. I could be bearish. Well, yeah, you know, obviously your bias is going to be bearish because the Feds are hiking rates, but we should be getting bounces. This is a serious sell-off. I mean, you haven't seen this in a dog's age. Oh, I'm feeling a little bear on gold too. Probably go into a consolidation for a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. We've done enough. Class dismissed. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate you guys stopping in with me. Check me out at 9 o'clock and we'll trade together. Check out the new hot TikTok page. I haven't even looked at it yet. I got to look at it. What else? Throw me some money. Check out some links. We'll put it towards the channel. And see what else we could do to promote it. So what happens is we get the money, it goes to the free folk. The free folk figure out which way to go with the channel. They're just letting me trade and participating. And I can't really break their chops about not promoting the channel enough because I'm not really paying them. So I can't be that corporate dick. And I understand why they're half-ass at it. Because they're busy being free folk. So, all right, anyway, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and I'll check you guys out at 9 o'clock.